Hello everyone, how are you all doing? I'm doing great. Welcome you all to Balcony Roots channel. While I'm just walking through my balcony, so here is the marigold plant. What I saw today is one small sapling of marigold which has come up. This is actually a jasmine plant which I had pruned or removed the leaves few days back, and here you can see new leaves coming up. I had even added the fertilizer and I'm watering them on a regular basis to ensure that the soil doesn't go dry, and I can see some fresh leaves coming up now on my jasmine plant. And what I saw just now is the small marigold sapling which I can see has just popped out. So what I will do is I will give good space for this one. I will slowly take it out and repot it in a glass or a smaller place, so that first the roots will develop, then I will start moving them to a bigger pot. So this is what I want to do right away. I'll have to slowly take it. Whenever you have a sapling like this, be very careful. Dig the mud and try to remove it. Move the mud. So this should come up here like this. I can see this one. Okay, still need to move it. Okay, here it is. I can see good roots have developed in this. You can see the roots here. So I will now put it into a pot or a glass. I have a glass here ready, made some holes. I will put this sapling, I will add some mud. So I'll just show you that process. So here I have filled my glass with mud, and now I'm going to plant this small sapling. The reason why I have chosen to put it first in this small glass is because if we give a large space to these plants, because we have only a balcony space, so space constraint is what is our concern. So if we give a larger space, the roots will develop a lot, and then to repot them will become difficult. Not only that, we want the roots to be in a constricted manner, so that like I want the roots to develop slowly to the extent that I should be able to get the flowers. Like what I'm trying to say here is, if there are lots of roots coming in, the plant will grow a lot before the flowering stage. So I am trying to ensure that the plant grows in a manner in which the roots are developing, plus it should develop to the extent that it is not very big, but it should also give me good amount of flowers. So that is the reason I will first put it into this glass, and I will ensure that the roots are developed well. Once I feel that the plant is not growing beyond certain level, that means there is no space for the roots to grow more, that is when I will transplant it to another bigger pot. And also another thing is, it is very easy to care for your plant when it is in a smaller area rather than a big pot for such a small sapling. It's very easy that the sapling might just fall off, or things like that could happen. Okay, so I have done, just potted it, planted it. Now I will water it, and then I will share the progress of this particular marigold plant. So that's it for today. Bye bye. I request you all to please like, share and subscribe to my channel Balcony Roots. Have a great day. Bye bye.